Hello everybody and welcome to the video. So what we have here today is this Casablanca Clairemont ceiling fan. The ceiling fan has been sold to JJ Bruno. I got this fan at the Habitat Restore and he wanted me to pick it up for him. I bent the blades back into shape. It's not perfect. There are still some nicks right there because Habitat doesn't really take care of their fans, so the switch cap's a little scratched up. Blades are a little scuffed up. Yeah, it needs some work. It's nowhere near perfect. But I just wanted to make a video of it all fixed. So if you guys want to see the video where I talk about it, I will link that in the description. Well, it was the last video that was posted, so yeah. Anyways, we will go to look. Has a very fast startup. These fans were paired these fans were made by Halsey, for those who did not know. But these fans were paired with 188 by 20 millimeter motors. Mounting is an original. It's from my Casablanca Victorian because it came with a 4-foot down rod, and if I were to mount it here, the fan would be touching the floor. So I had to figure out something. It probably wouldn't wobble as bad, but the reason why it's wobbling right now is because it's on a different mounting system. Well, that has nothing to do with it really, but it's a little loose because I can't fit the hanger on an exposed box, so that's why it's like that. The box is exposed. I don't have a medallion right now, so this is what it is right now. So go to medium now. Wobbles a lot less than it did, which is a good sign. Alright, we'll go to high now. Still has the dread tapping of the chain, but the wobble isn't as bad. And I fixed the pitch of the blades. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.